Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Tuesday, October 21st, and this is my analysis for the US dollar index, and we're on the daily time frame. So on the daily time frame, we turned up pretty nicely at the 50%. Definitely did end up making a golfing move to the upside. Now the question is this just another higher low within an uptrend, and now it's going to go up and make another higher high? For me personally, I am definitely leaning towards that analysis. I still think there's a good chance it's going to go up and take out both of these previous highs on the daily to weekly time frame. Now, we cannot rule out the possibility of this move up right here being a pullback to this move down. So we definitely want to keep an eye on it on sort of time frames. Going down to the 1 hour to the 4 hour time frame, I would have my Fibonacci retracement on this whole move down right here, because if this does end up being like an A, B, C pullback, it would go to one of these Fibonacci levels. It would make either a break of structure to the downside or a very, very significant turn to the downside at a Fibonacci level. If that happens, then you're definitely looking at either a wave B or a wave 2. But like I said, on the higher time frames, I'm definitely leaning towards the idea that this may bounce from fib levels, but it may not break structure to the downside, and it may actually just continue up because of the daily time frame, not only on the dollar index, but on a lot of the dollar pairs themselves. So I'm definitely still bullish the dollar until or unless we get a nice break of structure to the downside at a Fibonacci retracement level. So anyways, don't forget to check out my website linked over here in the corner. And as always, thank you for watching and happy trading.